Hello everyone, this is the question asked in GATE 2018 Electrical Engineering. A class of 12 children has 2 more boys than girls. A group of 3 children are randomly picked from this class to accompany the teacher on a field trip. What is the probability that the group accompanying the teacher contains more girls than boys? So, in this problem, we need to determine the probability where there are more girls than boys on a school trip. So, in order to solve this problem, let's have a look at the useful info. So in general, probability means the number of outcomes of an event divided by the total number of outcomes. Also, we need to understand what the combinations of objects exactly means, and which is nothing but the selection of things from a given set of things. Here, we do not intend to arrange the things, we just intend to select them. Also, we denote the number of unique R selections or combinations of group of n objects by NCR, which is nothing but n factorial upon r factorial times n minus r factorial. So for instance, if there are 3 students and I have to select 2 of them, then the number of selections that can take place would be 3C2, which is nothing but 3 factorial upon 2 factorial times 3 minus 2, which is 1 factorial, and this would give me 3. So let's use this concept and try to solve the problem. Now, the first thing that is given to us is that there are 2 more boys than girls in a class. That means that the number of boys in the class is 2 more than the number of girls. Also, the total number of students in a class is 12. So, if I solve these 2 equations, I'll get the number of boys as 7 and the number of girls as 5. So, there are 2 more boys than the number of girls. Now, out of these 12 children, I need to select 3 children such that the number of girls is always greater than the number of boys. And that can happen in 2 of the conditions. First, there are 2 girls and 1 boy. And second, all 3 are girls. So, the number of ways in which I can select 2 girls and 1 boy would be 5C2 times 7C1, where 5 being the total number of girls I have and 7 being the total number of boys I have. So I have to choose 2 girls from the set of 5 and 1 boy from the set of 7. So this would give me 70. Also, if I have to choose 3 girls from the set of 5, then the number of ways in which I can do that would be 5C3, and this would give me 10. Also, the number of ways in which I can select 3 students out of the total students, which is 12, will be given by 12C3, which would be the total possible outcomes of selecting 3 students. Now, the probability of selecting more girls than boys would be given by the addition of condition 1 and 2 divided by the total number of ways of selecting 3 students. And this would give me 70 plus 10 divided by 12C3. On solving, which gives me 80 upon 12 times 11 times 10 divided by 3 factorial, which is 6. So on simplifying this expression, I would get 80 divided by 220, which on further simplification would give me 4 upon 11. Now if I look at the options, none of the options actually matches with the right answer. So here the actual answer was 4 upon 11, which matched with none of the options. So bonus mark was awarded in this problem, and the answer to this problem is 4 upon 11. Thank you.